Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make nitrobenzene 80% EC formulation, or in other words you can say how to make nitrobenzene soluble in water with the help of our emulsifier FXNB100, which we have specially made for making nitrobenzene soluble in water. So friends, for this we have over here nitrobenzene technical, which is 99.9% pure. Now as you all know, this nitrobenzene is insoluble in water. I'll show you. When you add nitrobenzene in the water, it is completely insoluble. Now as you can see, this nitrobenzene hasn't been soluble in water. As you can see, the droplets all over. So now with the help of our product FXNB100, we will make this nitrobenzene completely soluble in water. Now for this I will make a 80% EC formulation of nitrobenzene in water. Now for this I'll show you a 100 gram sample batch. For this I will add 80 grams of nitrobenzene technical. First of all I will take 80 grams, that is actually 80%. So friends, I have taken 80 grams nitrobenzene technical of 99.9% purity. Friends, please note that this is very harmful and toxic product, so be careful, use proper gloves, safety mask. Very important to take safety precautions while using nitrobenzene. Now I will add 20 grams of FXNB100. Now as you can see, I have added 20 grams of our emulsifier FXNB100. Now I will stir it. You can see the products get very easily mixed. You can mix it with a stirrer or manually or simply with a rod. See, the product is completely mixed into the nitrobenzene. There is no much stirring. There is not much stirring required. And this is what you have prepared, 80% EC solution of nitrobenzene. So I will show you what happens when we add this nitrobenzene 80% EC in the water. This is a 342 ppm hardness water that we have taken. That is the generally that we take for emulsion testing. Now check out the emulsion stability while I add nitrobenzene 80% EC in the water. Take a note at the dispersion of the solution. See. You have seen excellent emulsion is formed. After a long research, our R&D team has come up with a solution to dissolve nitrobenzene up to 80%. There is no other product available in the market as such which can take up to 80% nitrobenzene. You can also add up to 90% nitrobenzene, and then you have to add 10% of the emulsifier. So I will show you how good is the emulsion formed while I add in the water. See. See this, we have completely dissolved nitrobenzene in the water. We have this nitrobenzene has broken into nanoparticles, and we have got an excellent emulsion which will be easily stable up to 24 hours. So friends, you can buy our product FXNB100 to make nitrobenzene 70%, 80%, 90% EC. You can also make 50% EC using this product, and you can contact us, you can email us, and we have given the description below. You can contact us for further query. Thank you so much.